This is my first Easter gift for baby Lucas. Look at this. Very good for Easter. Huh? You like it? It's about Jesus. Easter story. Because this is the first Easter of baby Lucas. 6 months na siya. At ito ay para sa kanya. I will read it for him palagi pag ano. Ayan o. Nakita nyo? The baby first Easter story. Yeah. Look na. You like it? The baby first Easter story. Ayan. Okay. Yan. At hardboard po ito kasi for baby eh. Kasi first Easter ni baby Lucas now for 6 months na siya nung baka mga 6 or 7 months na siya. Kasi 6 months siya ngayong April, ngayong March 20, then 7 April 7 months siya. Yan. So this is for baby Lucas. Dear baby Lucas, this book may be a blessing for you. May you learn more and grow more in the name of the Lord. And Jesus Christ, for the Easter, is the story about Jesus on the cross. And He saved all of us. He gave us salvation. So this is baby's first Easter story. And ayan, meron dito yung mga books. Hard book po ito, kaya maganda sa bata. Very colorful, ayan o. Kahit sa baby, kasi for babies nga, ayan eh. Para ma-hold nila yung pages, ayan. Diba? And it's colorful. And it has different pictures. And it's so easy to read the story. So next time, I will read you this book, Baby Lucas. Ayan o. When Jesus on Easter. Ayan. Story about Jesus on Easter. Kasi mag-Easter na tayo eh. Diba? Holy Week na tayo. Kaya, you should know something about this. Diba? Ayan na si Jesus Christ. Okay? With the 12 disciples. Ayan. And this kind of book is hard book kasi, alam niyo naman mga baby, madaling mapunit ang mga book sa kanila. Ayan. Pero, hard pages po siya. Kaya, ayan. You see? Ayan, na-enjoy niya na. Ino-open niya na. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi pa nila maintindihan ngayon, pero in their subconscious mind, laro na yung ating tinuturo sa kanila ang tungkol sa ating, sa faith sa Panginoon. Ayan. Para paglaki nila, ay meron po silang good character, and the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Sabi nga ganon, di ba? And if you have faith in God, God will be with you wherever you go. Sabi sa Joshua 1:9, don't be afraid, be of good courage, for God is with you wherever you go. Ayan. Tapos yung sa John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His only